Hi and welcome to the Swedish Maker. Today we did a family project where we built a wooden horse for the kids to play with. We started cutting out the pieces for the body with a mitre saw, cutting half circular pieces out of 1.5 inch beams. This could be done with a jigsaw, but the pieces don't have to be perfect as we are putting smaller pieces on top of the beams later. All the lumber except the horse's head is pressure treated so that the horse can stand outside and withstand some rain and moist. We drew the head of the horse on the computer first, and then we drew freehand from that on a piece of glue jointed pine. Then we used the jigsaw to cut out the head, and we sanded it down just to remove any unevenness. We cut fence laths to length using the mitre saw. These are going on top of the body parts we started doing. These are 1 by 1.5 inches and were perfect for the purpose. We started at the bottom of the body and attached the laths, and then we placed the rest of them just to see how they fit. Once we knew they fit, we just screw them into place. The angle of the legs were set to about 10 degrees and we just measured using a protractor and what looked good. We cut the bottom parts of the legs to fit the angle, and then we drew a 10-degree angle from the top of the leg to be able to attach it without being as thick in the top. We also used the protractor to measure the angle of the legs going out from the body. We attached the head first and then all the legs. My daughter unfolded rope to use for tail and hair for the horse, and then we braided the hair of the horse and attached it with screws. And that's it. That's it for this one. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.